Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lynbrook Heights is a residential neighborhood located in the northwest area of Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. It is considered one of the more modern parts of the city, with development taking place mainly in the late 20th century and continuing into the early 2000s. The neighborhood was designed with a suburban layout featuring curved streets, quiet cul-de-sacs, and a focus on residential living. The population of Lynbrook Heights is made up largely of families, professionals, and retirees. The area is known for its newer homes, many of which are larger single-family houses with attached garages and landscaped yards. This style of development reflects changing housing preferences in Moose Jaw during periods of growth where space and modern design became a priority. Green space is an important part of Lynbrook Heights. Parks, playgrounds, and walking paths are integrated into the neighborhood, offering residents convenient access to outdoor recreation. These features contribute to a sense of openness and make the area appealing for those looking for a quieter, more relaxed environment within the city. The neighborhood is well connected to the rest of Moose Jaw through nearby main roads, allowing for easy access to shopping areas, schools, and healthcare services. While primarily residential, its location ensures that daily necessities are within a short distance. This balance between quiet living and accessibility has made Lynbrook Heights a desirable place to live. Lynbrook Heights represents a more recent phase in Moose Jaw's expansion. As the city grew outward from its historic center, newer neighborhoods like this were developed to accommodate a changing population and evolving housing needs. It reflects a shift towards suburban-style living that became more common across Canada in the late 20th century. Moose Jaw has a population of approximately 33,000 people. It is one of Saskatchewan's most historically significant urban centers, located along the Moose Jaw River in the south-central part of the province. The city's name is believed to come from a Cree word describing the shape of the river, although its exact origin remains a subject of debate. The city's development began in the late 1800s with the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway. Moose Jaw quickly became an important transportation and distribution hub, linking agricultural producers to markets across Canada. Its strategic location helped it grow into a center for trade, commerce, and industry in the early 20th century. Moose Jaw is also known for its unique underground tunnel system, which dates back to the early 1900s. These tunnels were used for various purposes, including storage and, according to local accounts, activities connected to Prohibition-era bootlegging. Today, they are a well-known historical attraction that reflects a lesser-known side of the city's past. Another key part of Moose Jaw's identity is its connection to the military. The nearby Canadian Forces Base Moose Jaw has been an important training center since the mid-20th century. Established in 1941 as part of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, the base continues to play a major role in the local economy and community life. Today, Moose Jaw blends its historical roots with modern development. Its downtown features heritage buildings and cultural sites, while newer areas like Crescent View reflect ongoing growth. The city remains a regional hub for services, education, and tourism, offering a mix of history, community, and prairie landscape that defines much of southern Saskatchewan.